Good people, I am back again. Life according to D. Just wanted to tell you what to expect in this vlog. So Caidence's birthday just passed, so we also went to the zoo in Birmingham, Alabama. That was really fun. I haven't been there in a really long time, and a lot has changed since I last went. And they're supposed to be making it even better and better than that. They were literally under construction. A part of the park was under construction while we were there. So it was really fun. It was a really hectic and hot and humid weekend. My hair went through it. I look all right today, but couple days ago your girl wasn't quite looking like this. Okay, we had a lot of fun this weekend. Shout out to my daddy because he made sure that we could make that happen. He was supposed to go with us because it's been a long time since we took like a family day trip together, and it's hardest for me to get off, I think. So he unfortunately, things came up and he wasn't able to come with us. That's all you'll see in this vlog. Little zoo footage, a little footage from her birthday. Tell her happy birthday if you can for me down in the comment box below. She'll be really excited about that. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank y'all again in advance for telling my baby happy birthday. And don't forget to share this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. You feel like we're entertaining. We're a positive, entertaining, lovely family. Share the video, share that love, and we'll talk to you later. Peace. You said nap. That's why I said it. Because you said it. Excuse me, we're going to get in the shade too. Woo, it's hot. We're at the zoo. Let's see what we're going to do first. You trying to figure out what you're going to get, Stu? Got that cheetah. Cheetah and that tiger. That one don't move. She can use that for real. She admitted it. She said, I can't. I probably can't. I probably can't. We made it. We on here together. I thought we wasn't going to fit. And they was going to have to quit. The glove don't fit. You must have quit. Jackie, boo! Oh, it's moving. You ever said, okay, I got it. Don't grab his face, okay?
Auntie, can you go with us?
I'm right here.
Are you going with us? And like inside?
Go on those. There's also a sink in this corner if you'd like to wash your hands when you're done.
Okay.
Oh, we're actually going.
His sides.
Go pat him.
Oh.
He doesn't want to be petted.
Okay, you say.
I'll just let him do his thing. He act like he didn't want to be bothered, so I just decided to leave him alone. Be soft.
We gotta be gentle, like gentle.
Ooh, he's so rough. I don't know why I thought he was going to be soft.
Wow. It's because of that. See?
I touched it.
See, look at that bee.
He looking at you? Yeah, don't put your hands in your mouth, baby.
Why is he hovering like that? He ready to go in there.
He's hot. They're kind of like dogs. Thought that was poop.
He's a cutie.
Look at him scratching himself with his horn. That's funny. Whoa, where'd you come from? Don't touch your face, buddy.
I had to figure out what he was
Look.
doing first.
Let's come over here. He doesn't have horns. We shouldn't be as nervous.
But they be mean.
Oh, a little blondie. Blondie's a little bit softer.
He's very white.
You're a big boy.
I touched it.
I touched it.
I touched it. I feel like he's about to jump down out of nowhere.
He's so calm. I think he likes it.
Touch the belly.
Spoiled
belly.
rotten.
He touches belly.
He's pretty.
How you know it's a he? I think that's a girl.
I'm gonna keep him.
Pretty sure.
I just want to feed him with a bottle. After I feed him with the bottle, they can.
I want to feed
They can be back.
Look, Daddy.
Oh, poop. Oh, I thought it was poop. It's not poop.
You can't be behind me.
I know. You won't get me from behind. You don't want to. But it just made me uncomfortable that his horns were coming first. Now coming back around this way and rub him. Look at his little black shoes. Oh, this isn't the same one we were petting. Look, he's got a little skunk stripe.
Oh, you wanna touch it?
In reverse. He's got a skunk tail too. Could you not talk about the poop? Aww.
Where?
Yeah, Gabby like, give me a direction. Make sure you don't touch your face, buddy. You ready to wash your hands? I can't see.
They haven't given you a piece?
Oh, feed him?
Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh my goodness, this is your first time doing this?
Come on, Gabby.
Other people wait to feed too. Like this, who just come in between us. He won't have to tell you. Can hold it up for you too?
Hold it 2 hands like a plate.
Wait, why the crap? So he just touch her.
Stretch your arms out.
Yeah, but it's not good. So your son is long, but it's not that long.
Come on, Aaron. Jackson's doing it. Where did you come from?
You ain't giving your piece?
Has the biggest one.
Yeah, that's
Oh, his tongue's falling off a little.
Whoa.
Oh, she. Are they usually the biggest? Bigger?
You got it, you got it. The male could have like a little darker. Perfect. The male could be darker.
But we'll be fine under the
So we gotta try to get a good picture this time, right? So we're gonna do everybody's gonna turn around just like this. We gotta pin it on our shoulders like that, okay? Alright, you guys go around for me?
That's not gonna work.
You gotta feed them. Feed them. Kinda, yeah. I just keep coming over here.
No, he's gonna lick your head off. Not yet, okay? You just hold it.
Feed them? No, we can't feed them.
But to get a good picture, you gotta look at the camera. Alright, guys, it's time to open your shoulders, alright?
You ready?
I'm blocking the camera. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Open your shoulders for me. Perfect.
Nah, he didn't get.
This way. You can get hers. You got it, Jackson? Oh, he's been Jackson. There you go. Good job. Alright, here she comes.
What?
You gotta go back. Ooh.
That was an epic fail, Gabby. Okay, Gabby, come on. No. I think it's okay if it eats off the ground.
Go back a little bit more.
The giraffe is gonna go hungry if it's up to Gabrielle. We're about to ride the train. Woo! Choo choo.
I wish I had fucked up when she got good on the flat a couple more times.
She really did have fun on it. I thought we were gonna never find neither one of these. She's excited. You gotta put it over your ears. That's why God gave them to you. Part of the reason. JC Penney. I ain't been at JC Penney in a long time. You don't like it? Even the clean? Like, no, I'm saying I hate it. Oh, okay. I was like, you don't like it? I like it. So Caidence turned 9 today.
Hey.
Oh my God. She turned 9 years old today, this morning. She's been asking me questions about her labor, pregnancy, delivery since yesterday. So I think I have to double check my records, but I'm pretty sure she was born at about 7:08 a.m. But I'll double check. So how does it feel to be 9?
It feels, I don't feel it.
She didn't feel it at all. Why were you so anxious and excited about this birthday?
I don't know, it's just special.
Why?
I've been looking forward to it.
Why?
It's just it's a special moment.
9 is?
Now I'm going to have a strawberry shortcake.
Oh, yes. The grand finale, the piece de resistance is the cake. Homemade whipped cream, homemade pound cake. And my sister's hooking it up, her auntie. So what you need to say to Auntie Turk?
Thank you.
Turquoise, by the way. We just call her Turk, for short. Say thank you in advance for the birthday wishes. And look at her shirt. It says, she's wearing the traditional birthday sash, but it says, who run the world?
Girls.
Actually says besties over there. And then it says girls over here.
Oh.
Excuse me, but it's really cute. We got that on clearance at JCPenney last night. Slow down. Just slow down. It's hot. Now that spice right on the outside while you immediately licking your fingers.
Oh yeah. You want ranch or Italian?
Bang it. Hey.
Potatoes.
Otherwise, hey, that's too much. You're gonna bust up all your meat. You want to keep it in the biggest chunk as possible. Yeah, you want it on a separate plate?
You want a piece of bread here?
Corn?
Yes,
You need to break the legs off of the big part, and this meat all up in that part too. But you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caidence. Happy birthday to you. No dessert.
I'm still gonna eat.
She reversed it on it. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, thought I was done. Wasn't done.